How to sync your Facebook friends to TikTok. Hello everybody, welcome to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can sync your Facebook accounts to TikTok. So let's get started. Syncing your Facebook friends to TikTok is very easy. You just need to follow some steps. So what you need to do is go to your profile and go to your settings. For that, go to your profile first and then tap on the menu icon. And here, go to settings and privacy. After that, under account, you see this privacy option, just tap on it. And here you can see the sync contacts and Facebook friends option, just tap on this option. Here under that, you can see sync Facebook friends option, just enable the option and you will be redirected to this page with Facebook and confirm you allow. Just tap on confirm you allow and you will be able to sync your Facebook with your TikTok and as well your Facebook friends to TikTok. After that, enabling options, and if you want to remove it, just tap on this remove previously synced Facebook friends option, and that's how basically you remove or sync your Facebook friends to TikTok very easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.